Hello coders, this is Sanjay and in this video we will discuss problem 263 ugly number. An ugly number is a positive integer whose prime factors are limited to 2, 3 and 5. Given an integer n, return true if n is an ugly number. So let's see the examples. Example 1, n equal to 6. So the output is true. Why? Because it has only the prime factors are 2 and 3. Example 2, n equal to 1. This is also an ugly number because 1 has no prime factors. Therefore, all its prime factors are limited to 2, 3 and 5. Example 3, n equal to 14. So the output is false because the factors of 14 are 2 and 7, and in the question it's given that prime factors should be only 2, 3 and 5. Okay, so this is a very simple problem. Let's code the solution. So the first thing which we have to keep in mind is the ugly number is a positive integer, and in the constant it is given that the number can be negative also. So first we have to filter that out. So if n is less than equal to 0, then we have to return false. Now we have to continuously divide the number n with its factor. So if n is greater than 0, then only this loop will execute. So if n is divisible by 2, so how we can write n%2 equal to 0. So if n is divisible by 2, then we will divide n with 2. Else if we will check the other factors, which are n%3 equal to 0. And if n is divisible by 3, then we will divide n by 3. Then we will check for the factor 5. So if n is divisible by 5, then we will divide n by 5. Else, if there is any other factor, then we would simply break this while loop. So in the last step, what we'll check is n is equal to 1, because if n is equal to 1, it means all the prime factors have divided n. Otherwise, there is some prime factor which is not 2, 3 and 5. So the last statement would be n equal to 1. Let's see if this is passing all the test cases. Great. So let's see the time and space complexity. So in this program, we are not using any extra space. We are just using this while loop. And this while loop will continuously divide the number n. So what is the time complexity for this problem? It will be order of log n, because we are continuously dividing the number. Since we are not taking any data structure for storing anything, the space complexity will be order of n. Okay, that's it pretty much for this video. Please like and subscribe if you want such more videos.